Wildlife Legacy from Austin, Texas. We're here for another great day, 12th year hunting up here. We keep coming back. This is a blast. These are wild birds. It's a lot different than hunting those preserved birds down in Texas. Just been a delight to be up here once again.
Lori lit a cigarette and smiled and waved the smoke out of her face. Well, her black hair brown from the summer sun, green eyes looked around the place. And she told me that she loved me, and I grinned and grabbed her hand and said, I know. Let's get from here now, darling. If we're going, let's go on and go. Well, Lori said her family used to have a little money, and they still act like they do. But your daddy don't think I'm fit to sit in the same room with you. And if I ever set foot in Sevier County, well, your brother said he'd break my jaw. But here I stand with a dark-haired daughter of Southwest Arkansas. And I've been learning that the leaving and the barely breaking even, it's just a part of life for you and me. And I've been living with loneliness. It's got down in my bones. I guess it's just another phase of being free. And I've been learning how to lose a thing I never laid a hand on all along. Well, good Lord, Lori, I love you. Could it go more wrong? Well, good Lord, Lori, I love you. Could it go more wrong? La, la.